Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install VirtualBox Extension pack. So let's get started. Open any browser and search VirtualBox Extension pack. Then click on the first site. Before downloading it, make sure that your VirtualBox is updated. Then check the version. Since both are same, so now we will not face any problem. Click on all supported platforms and download will start. Extension pack is in your downloads folder. In VirtualBox, click on file, then preferences. Now click on extensions and add this file. This extension pack is very useful as it allows you to use USB, webcam, disk encryption, etc. in VirtualBox. So click on install. Now the extension pack is installed. I hope my video was helpful to you, and if so, then consider subscribing the channel. Thanks for watching.